Hello, how are you guys? I hope you are doing well. Today we explain how to film with the recording. Do you do this by entering the setting, then entering the control center, entering to customize the controls and editing. The screen recording to show yes, the last and after that. We clicking on it with long breath the microphone will appear to yes and by clicking on it will recording. Clicking on it will record with the photography. Do not forget subscribe to the channel. Bye.